In today's video, I am going to teach you how to register for Wave Accounting as a sole proprietor. This guide is designed to walk you through the sign-up process step by step at a pace that is easy to follow. As you watch, you can pause anytime you need to, and you can mirror what you see on your screen. First, go to the Wave Accounting website. Open your preferred web browser, then navigate to the Wave Accounting page. Once the site loads, take a moment to confirm you are on the official Wave Accounting homepage. This is important because it helps ensure you are using the correct site for registration. Next, find and click the button that says Get Started Now or Sign Up for Free. The exact wording may vary slightly, but it will be the main call to action. When you click it, the website will usually take you to the account creation page. This is the starting point where you will enter your details and begin setting up your account. Now you will be prompted to enter your email address and create a secure password. For the email address, use the address you want associated with your Wave account. If you have multiple inboxes, make sure you are choosing the one you will actually access, because you may need it for account confirmation or future login. For the password, choose something secure that you can remember. A secure password typically combines letters and numbers, and ideally uses a mix of characters, so your account stays protected. After you have entered your email address and password, click Create Your Free Account or Get Started. This step tells the website to generate your new account and move you into the next part of setup. If the site checks your information, it may show helpful prompts if something needs adjustment, such as the password requirements. When that happens, follow the on-screen guidance and try again. Once your account is created, you will be asked about your business structure. Select Sole Proprietorship when you see that option. This selection matters because Wave will tailor parts of the onboarding experience based on how your business is organized. A sole proprietorship typically means you operate the business on your own, which is why this option matches that setup. After choosing sole proprietorship, enter your business name. Use the name you want displayed or associated with your accounting records. If you are unsure what to enter, choose the business name you commonly use for your paperwork and customer interactions. Consistency here helps keep your records clear. Then enter your country. This helps the system set the correct regional settings, such as location-related options that may affect how the account behaves. It is a straightforward field, but it is still good to double-check that you picked the right country from the list. Next, enter your currency. This is important because accounting numbers and reports will be aligned with the currency you choose. If your business primarily operates in one currency, select that one. If you do business internationally, you will still generally choose the currency you want your base accounts to use. At this point, you will have completed the key registration and business structure details required to set up Wave Accounting for a sole proprietorship. Depending on the website flow, the next screen may either confirm your details or continue with additional setup. If it continues, simply follow the on-screen prompts in order. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.